says it looks pretty good to me.
So blocked intersection rule here. The intersection is blocked ahead. I thought I might have been able to make it through. Looks pretty good. That is awesome, mate. I thought I might have been able to make it through, so that's why I was moving a little bit quicker. There wasn't people behind me, and then I could see, you know, that I wasn't going to make it through. I'm still not going to make it through, so we're just going to hang back here and we're just going to chill out. We're just going to sit here. There's nothing we can do. So the intersection is blocked up ahead. That's why we're waiting back here. We can see our vehicles moved. I've been pretty good letting people in, so I am going to move with this vehicle, be assertive with my movement and positioning, because I've just let three people got through there, and you know, we can't just keep letting people through. Someone else will give them the opportunity. But most people don't obey that blocked intersection rule.